Hello, and thank you for purchasing Zprinter. It is the perfect machine to print your direct thermal labels without the need of ink or cartridges, and supports labels with widths of up to 110 millimeters. The best thing is that you can use any thermal labels as you wish, so you're not stuck with a specific brand. Zprinter is compatible with roll and fanfold labels. Zprinter supports shipping labels from a variety of providers, including Postnord Skicka Direkt Busines. Zprinter is compatible with PC and Mac. It's easy to use, configure, and maintain. In your package, you'll find the Zprinter, your power adapter, USB cable, and label holder. Let me walk you through on how to set up the Zprinter. Connect the power adapter. Connects the Zprinter to your computer using the USB cable. Open the Zprinter and load your labels. Make sure the label side is facing up. Adjust the tabs, close the printer. Next, turn on the printer. You need to calibrate the printer to learn your label. To do this, press and hold the top button until you hear a beep. Zprinter will measure the size of your labels. Press the button once if you want to feed one label through. Zprinter is now ready to use. You can feed new label rolls from the back if the size is the same, and start printing without the need of new calibration. Otherwise, you must repeat the calibration process. Zprinter is twice as fast than the nearest competitor. Let us do a quick demo to showcase the capabilities of the Zprinter. This is how quick it is to print 20 labels. Impressive, right? Let's move on now to the driver installation with Adrian. Thank you for watching.